Hello everybody, it is Nicole from iiKiui, where I want to help you improve your art. Today I'll be teaching you how I add blush to a face using alcohol markers. This is the method I pretty much always use, so I hope you find it helpful. So without further ado, let's hop right into that tutorial. This technique is how I add blush, but this is not the only way. For the skin, I usually have multiple colors. I have one base color and the other two are for blending and for shading. For the blush, I'll be using two colors. One is a darker blush color and the other is a lighter one, usually one that's easy to blend into the skin color. First, apply the darker blush color on the apples of the cheeks. Usually this is under the outer corners of the eyes for me. Then, apply the lighter color underneath, trying to blend it. If you're using a brush pen, use feather-like strokes near the outside so it's easier to blend into the skin. Lastly, add the skin color to the face using the same flicking motion into the blush to blend. Typically, I do this whole process a couple of times to build up color. It works best with brush pens because using feather-like strokes, which I've explained in my how to blend video, makes it easier to blend the colors together. And that's the whole process. It's really not a complicated process and it doesn't have that many steps, but if you continue layering and trying to blend all the colors together, then you'll end up getting a really nice blush on the cheeks. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I'm definitely going to be doing more marker tutorials in the future, so be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified of when they come out. And if you found this mini tutorial useful or helpful, please leave this video a thumbs up and a comment telling me what you want to see next. So with that, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!